Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to crochet amazing project. This is my own pattern. For this project I will use 1.4mm crochet hook, a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams, seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn and round beads, and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the motif. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The foundation chain is ready. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My ring is ready. Make single crochet into the ring. While making the single crochet, I am going to remove the yarn. Make 18 single crochet into the ring. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So complete this round. Work with the slip stitch. This is the top of the first single crochet. Insert the hook into the front loop. In this stitch, make a slip stitch. My round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. Begin round 2. It is going to be a round of stitches with beads. Make a chain of 2. Draw seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the same front loop. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Here what I have. Then chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to bring up the yarn. Continue. Yarn over the hook 1, 2, 3 times. Insert the hook into the next front loop. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, yarn over the hook, insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, and pull through 2 loops. Here what I have. I continue working on my complex stitch. It is going to be the next one. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the next front loop. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2 loops. Then draw seed bead. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the same loop. Pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3. and pull through 2 loops. Here what I have. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I remind you, I'm going to work only with front loops. Then I will show you how to complete this round together. Let's complete this round together. Here how my motif looks like at this point. It looks like a button. There is my round. This is the top of the first stitch. And look at the next one. This is the chain stitch to bring up the yarn. Make a slip stitch. Pull a little bit. My round is ready. Let's stop and look what I have done before. Now work with round 3. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the same chain stitch. Now I'm working with 3 loops or back loops. I didn't cut off the yarn, so you can see the beginning of the round. There is chain stitch, then you can see the next 3 loop. Insert the hook into this 3 loop. Make single crochet into this 3 loop. So now insert the hook into the stitch of the previous round, then insert the hook into the 3 loop. Make single crochet. Insert the hook into the stitch and insert the hook into the 3 loop. Make single crochet. Insert the hook into the stitch. Insert the hook into the 3 loop. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. Then you will see how to complete this round. Keep going by yourself. Let's complete this round together. This is the round 3. I did the last single crochet. I skipped chain stitch. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. Pull a little bit. Then to secure the yarn by making a chain. I have already cut off the yarn. Pull it. This is the back side of the project. My cute button is ready, or it could be a small flower. You can add a bead to the center of the flower or to the center of the button. Here how it looks with bead. So that's it, my project is ready. It consists only 3 rounds, so you don't need a lot of time to create this cute motif. It could be used like button, flower, or it can be like a decoration for your house, car, keychain, and another accessories. In this project I used bead and seed beads. The size of the motif depends on the yarn and crochet hook and the number of single crochet in the first round. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me. And don't miss new video tutorials. Please write comment below the video what you will get with me and with my video tutorials. Bye!